David Mullins.
I trust I find you well, Lester. It's not often I leave the comfort of my air-conditioned office to come out this way, but I think you agree this calls for a personalized visit.
Yeah, man. Me agree.
I thought it's only cockfight you produce. What is this war going on right beneath your nose?
War. There's no war. The situation is just too you to take on something bigger than them and nearly cause a war.
I wonder who that could be. Anyhow, you may have noticed some difference in the last couple of days in terms of police deployment on the ground. Guilty. Everybody you see around the streets now are mine, with specific orders. And I really don't want anything to interfere with their duty. They don't know anybody here, they don't care. Anybody pops up is immediately going to be identified as a target. And we don't want that, do we?
Well, as you know from ever since, no matter how we stay over here, so we always try to cooperate with the law. You understand? That's why I did have to do what I needed to do to deal with them two youth.
Lester?
David Mullins.
It's not often I come this side of town, but it's nice to know you have air conditioning.
We're in the corporate world now, you know. So we have to ensure that everything is corporate.
I noticed I don't smell no chicken.
But if you step outside, you might smell something else.
I'm certain you're going to agree that this situation is an urgent one.
I'm in total agreement.
Great. Well, I know you're a busy man. So let's get straight to the point. I would like to know where these youngsters stand in the unfortunate situation they seem to have found themselves in.
Mullins, even though he's not a man of the street, I'm sure you know how the street operates, you know.
Well, I'm aware of certain street laws, you know. I just need to know which ones are applicable to these.
The jury no return a verdict yet, you know.
Ranking. No disrespect still, you know. But me can remember in your absence that we all the grammar stole loyal soldier.
Should be one for your showboat so easy ranking.
Price of peace is not always paid in cash. Sometimes blood is what is required.
So our blood did one sacrifice.
Did.
Just give me a second. Bubbles, do me a favor. Tell them two picnic there. Say God give them 2 ears, 2 eyes, but only 1 mouth. And when you see and hear twice as much as you chat.
The two of you think are important enough to start a war over. I'd rather attend on a funeral.